Hi guys, today we're going to be doing another slime video, but we're not making slime. We're guessing the slime. But before we get started, we have a special guest, and it is Leyani! So, she's our cousin. She's 8, and I'm 9, and Myah's 6. Just to let you know. Okay, so we're going
to be doing rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Whoever goes first. Ready?
rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Gotcha. Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Gotcha. I go first.
And then so she goes. You, her, me. And last.
Okay. I really don't see anything. Owie.
Don't take it out. We're just gonna spill.
I know what it is. I truly know what it is.
Okay. What is it?
Hands out.
What is it?
It is the yellow butter slime.
Whoa! You were right. Oh, I love this
Because
one.
I touched the bottle like this, and I knew.
Yeah, but you're not supposed to touch it because that can be cheating. Okay. Put it in the box and then you just. What? Okay, right there. Now put your hand in there. That's sticky. I need to do this. This helps me. Yeah. I need to feel it more. It is cloud slime. Wrong.
You get
Look,
minus
it was
point.
Oh no! I got it. My turn.
In our previous video, you should check the one that we had another special guest, Amanda, our bigger cousin.
Okay.
You should go watch that out.
Okay,
It's
now
the
you
link
get to
below.
choose which slime that you have to choose which one.
Okay, Ryan, you choose which one.
We're doing 6 rounds, right?
Okay. Yeah, 6 rounds.
Now, it's very... Oh! I know this one, the cloud slime.
Yes.
Yes, you get 1 point.
Yeah, she made it.
And it has foam beads in it.
We made it actually today.
Just a couple of minutes ago.
I have 1 point.
I have 1 point and she has 0 points.
Okay, next round.
Okay, you
I go first.
put your blindfold on.
Let me.
I get to choose. Oh boy.
Leyani gets to choose. Let's get this party. Let's get this party started.
Okay, now go.
Let me go in. Oh, I know this one.
What?
It's the cloud slime.
And what color is it?
It's blue.
Ah!
Yes, it is.
No, wrong. Look.
No.
You got it wrong.
So but it is cloud slime.
That's
I get a half point. That
give me this.
that counts. That counts.
No, it
Mommy,
doesn't.
does it count? Hey, I said cloud slime.
Yeah, but you didn't guess the color right.
I get half point.
No, you don't. No, I can see you.
No, that's...
Oh, it's her turn.
blindfolded, and I hope I get this right, because I wanna catch up to them, because I got 0. I thought it was cloud slime, but it's okay. Go.
Yeah.
I'm stretchy.
Okay.
Because I can stretch. But what kind of slime?
Stretchy slime.
No, it has beads. Bead slime.
Yes.
I can feel the beads.
Yeah, and you got one wrong. It was green.
It's not green.
Yes, it is. It's a green yellow.
And it's
It's a green.
butter slime.
No, it's not a butter slime.
Oh.
It's a crunchy slime.
Oh, I know this. This yellow.
No, it's green.
No, it's not.
It's green.
It's yellow.
It's green.
yellow. Okay, let's just.
Compared to this and this is yellow.
I got 1 point.
Oh, the slime fell.
Guys, I got
Okay.
1 point.
I have 2.5 points.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No. You have
Yes.
1 point. I have 1 point. She has 1 point. So we all have 1 point.
It's
Okay,
equal.
now we are.
Doing the second round.
Okay, where's the blindfold?
So guys, you might see that we picked the same slimes,
Yeah,
but
but it
with
doesn't
different
mean
people.
Yeah. So it's a.
Wait.
Ow. Wait. This is my slime, right? Cloud. What?
It's
my slime.
Oh. The other one.
I love me. Oh, thank you. Ah! Oh, hello,
I can
darkness,
smell your
my
scent.
friend. My baby.
I ain't your baby.
She's my cousin.
Okay.
She's my cousin.
Thank you.
Back to
My turn.
So now I basically get it because I said cloud slime. So yeah.
no.
Yes. Yes.
I said cloud
Yes.
slime. No, but you said it was my slime. And I mean your slime.
Yeah, but it's still. You have to try to guess the slime, not two slime.
Yeah, but
Crunchy slime, fluffy slime, cloud slime, like that. Okay, so I get a point.
And then I get a point too because I was
No.
the one who said cloud slime. And then you said no.
We all okay. 1, 1, 2.
Okay.
Ah! Okay. Wait. No, I see you.
I'm not picking. I see pitch black. Pitch black. Ow! I can't breathe, Leyani.
That's not me. I'm taking the slime.
I can't breathe.
Can you see it?
Here. Peel the slime.
I can't. I do not know. What in the world is this slime? What in the world is this slime?
You see.
I can't see anything.
Okay, stop it.
Okay, now I know this one.
Whose?
This is
What?
Leyani slime.
No.
Yes, it is.
How do you
It's
know?
cloud
Are
slime.
you peeking?
No, I'm not.
Okay, yeah, you get 2 points. I get 2 points. 1 point.
Perfect little girl.
Wait.
Again. Nope.
Oh, is he?
Okay, it is yellow. But what texture it
Like, I
is.
need to feel it.
Here, try to put it in your hands. There you go.
And it's kind of different from the other yellow slime.
stretchy slime. Because it's stretched.
That's not on the shirt.
Ooh.
Mom's not gonna like that.
Your face. I can see you, Mommy.
Guess it. You can't look. Just guess. You felt it. Wait.
Ah, it's flying. Where's the
Try to
slime?
guess. No, you felt it. Try to guess. Okay, let's get back to the game.
Sticky slime.
Guess the slime. Butter, foam. No. Butter. Fluffy. It's sticky, and you can smooth. It's like butter, real butter to put on your toes.
You said so.
What? Who's
This is
this?
the slime.
Oh, this is Emma, right?
Yeah.
What? What? I can't hear you.
Yes.
Okay. It's always
This is
blurry.
the light. Ooh, watch me.
Oh, play on.
Ooh, watch me. Watch me. Okay. Ready.
Oh! Is this? Wait. What? Oh! This is your slime. What?
It's your slime.
What?
I can't do the eyelashes. This is Emma's slime.
Oh.
Yours is the messy one. This is the final round, and I have 3 points.
I have 2.
I don't know. She has 2.
2. No, what? Oh yeah, 2.
I have 2.
Okay.
Hey!
Oh.
Did this one.
Wait, which one is this? Ready? Put your hand out.
This is not epic. Something's in my eye.
What is it?
It's my slime, the yellow slime with the crunch balls and it's butter.
Yes.
I have 4 points.
Okay. My turn. I mean, your turn.
This is Emma's.
Where is it?
Oh, this is Emma's.
This? Okay, now open it. Oh, sorry.
No, that's Emma's. Yours is Emma's.
Oh, dang it. I said it wrong. It's mine. I tricked you. It's mine. I tricked you.
I'm gonna puke. She doesn't have any points.
No,
I'm
she
maybe gonna
she has
win.
2. I have 2 points.
But I'm gonna win. There's never win. But unless they trick you.
That was so funny.
Emma's. Emma is a. Myah is a.
Okay, my turn. Then it will be a tie.
Okay, so guys, if I win, I have to dare Leyani to do something. But if I lose,
I got to dare you.
okay.
Yeah.
It's emotional.
What?
It's more.
Oh.
This is
This is
my
the
slime.
like the
It's my
yellow.
slime. This is my slime. This is my slime.
You're tricking.
No, actually,
No,
she's tricking you. It's actually mine.
I can't choose.
It's actually my slime. Really?
Oh, what? Oh, I think I know this. It's the like the yellow one
It's
with the
my
front beans
slime.
on with butter. It's
No,
my
slime.
butter.
No, it's not. It's not.
It's the butter one with the foam beads and it's
No,
yellow.
it's not the one with the butter one.
How?
This is
How
butter.
is this crunchy? How?
This is butter.
This is not crunchy because if it was crunchy, you would hear like crunchy noise.
Look. Does butter slime do this?
Yeah, buttercream slime did it. This is butter slime and it did it. It's not crunchy slime.
Guys, comment in the comment section. Is this butter slime
No.
or
I mean,
crunchy slime?
Yeah, butter slime. Butter slime. Be on my team. Butter slime.
Let's have tug
Butter
of war.
slime. Yeah,
Tug of
butter
war.
slime.
Tug of war. I have 4. She has 3, and she has 2.
You won.
And yeah, I won.
Okay, now you have to sabotage me. No, me and her, right? Both of us.
You. And now we're gonna do the slime. What are you? Since I won, I'm proud of it. I get to choose. I get to dare them to do something in front
One
of
of
you
us.
guys.
One of us.
It could be 2 of you, 1 of you.
Fine, it's
whatever.
your decision.
Okay,
Both of us?
I dare you guys
Both of us.
for a competition. Each and one of you guys are gonna sing a song
Oh my god.
when you're doing a slime bubble and poking. Okay?
Fine.
So the youngest goes first. I go first. I'm happy. Oh, then I can't do a bubble.
Sing, okay, just sing the song.
Oh, then in the high.
Poke it, poke it.
Lord, I leaning up. Oh,
Okay, my turn.
then.
Okay, my turn. Why do I have to say it?
I know when in the end of this video she is gonna kill me.
Why don't you just meet me in the middle? I'm losing my mind just a little. Okay, I'm done.
So why don't you just meet me in the middle?
In the middle. Why do you just meet me in the middle, baby? I'm losing my mind just a little. So what? Meet me in the middle. Thank you. Bye.
Everybody!
Shout out to Karina Garcia.
Yes, actually, shout out to Karina Garcia. She inspired me to do slime. So, guys, I'm gonna give you a little message to inspire you guys, you girls and boys, to always stay positive of yourself, and you're beautiful just the way you are.
Way you are. Just the way
Way
you
you
are.